So I'm Namrata Bhatia. I work with Holiday Factory, which is the leading tour operator in the Middle East, and I head the marketing team for the last 7 years for Holiday Factory. We started with an engagement platform quite early, to be honest. In 2015 was the first time we took a step and we went ahead with a platform that gave us data about our customer. It was a brilliant place to start off with. However, over time it started fading away for us, and also a cost factor started coming into the perspective in terms of how is it being maintained with the ROI that's coming in. So we started exploring more options because then the market became mature and a lot of other players came into the market. Hence we moved into another platform at that time. So moving into the platform, we assumed that the level and the support was going to be more or less the same, with the only difference being the cost factor. However, we quickly realized that it was definitely a step down, not only just from a support perspective but also from a UI UX perspective, and it was really not helpful for us to reduce that cost because it was actually reducing our return. And that's how we went into exploring more options, and MoEngage definitely stood out of one of those things that we wanted to go with, one of those partners that we wanted to go with. The transparency factor, the quick support, and definitely the assist in understanding our problems, which aren't very easy to solve with just one tool integration into a platform that we use. But with data flowing in from different tools and platforms, we had to find a solution, and that's why MoEngage really helped us, and especially the part with the UI and the UX that really appealed to us. As marketers, we really want to see data in a certain way because it helps us get a better understanding. It's not just the data itself, it's also how you're viewing it. And that viewing really changed the game for us when we had to decide, and MoEngage was just right there. MoEngage came in with a very clear solution for our problems.